people, or afternoon or evening or whenever you're choosing to watch this. I'm like super tired today. But I have a couple of these bananas that are just talking to me on the counter that I need to use up. So I'm gonna quickly make some banana chocolate chip muffins in the air fryer. Get those going so the kids can have them for breakfast in the morning. And I might as well, since I'm tired, I might as well start supper. So we're just gonna use these, I know, don't come after me, these already made beef meatballs, no name brand, as well as this honey garlic V8 sauce. We're gonna put these two together, put them in the crock pot for later. And yeah, so let's get started on that. All right, I'm pretty sure I've already done this banana chocolate chip muffin in the air fryer recipe in a short, but whatever. We gotta get it done, so we're gonna do it again. So I'm gonna start with two of these looking a little sad bananas. Smash that up. Probably help if I had a fork. Yeah, you know, it would help if I had a fork. Alright, smash it up. That's, I don't know, look like smashed bananas. Add 1 egg. I'll do 1/3 cup of oil. And 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Mixy, mixy. 1/4 of a cup of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna use mini chocolate chips because that's what I got. Mini chocolate chips actually better. Oh, that much. A little more, a little less. I don't know. Whatever your heart desires. Mix that together. Try not to get flour on yourself. You're crazy. Here's these silicone muffin liners. And normally, every time I make this, I normally make 7. You could just scoop it. I prefer to use the ice cream scooper. It makes it easier, quicker, faster. I don't know. But you do you, you know? Let's go in the air fryer 320 for like 12 to 15 minutes. Obviously, don't burn yours. Check on them. Obviously, the muffins are already out, so a little bit of time has elapsed. You know, if you have a toddler, you just, you know. So they're out, they're good, they're golden brown. We're gonna do our quick supper because really don't know what to have for supper, so this is just what we're gonna do. Our meatballs, the quickest, easiest thing. For my this V8 sauce, this honey garlic one that I showed you before. I'm gonna pour the whole thing in. Give it a little mix. Then I'll make sure because I'm doing slow cook for this one, make sure it's set to venting and not sealing. When this is done for our supper, I'll probably add some rice to it and some garlic buns that I'll probably do in the air fryer. And that'll be our supper for tonight. So thanks for being my motivation. We got a couple things done today, a couple things checked off. We got supper ready to go, breakfast ready in the morning for the kids. So thanks for hanging around, and I'll see you next time. Bye.